Child from Milan to London. 1 year gone in a two. Me couldn't find no time for write you. Me time spent in a queue. Sometimes me see people queue up. Me look on them and say, Lord, the whole queue load of them look like them live in a 1 yard. Them dress like, and them go on like, and them look like one another. Like them is one man picnic, and one woman is their mother. Me meet up enough Jamaican girl, and boy, and if you hear how some of them attack, you would have dead with laugh, me dear. Them English twang so English, about weather and cup of tea. That English people find it hard to know what them a say. Howsomever, me is feeling quite at home. Me sign up list pan flat, put in my private telephone. Me in a television, and me frequent pan the ear, and all, me get warm welcome over here, me dear. So do me never write you, for 1 year gone in a two. Excuse me, and keep well. So till you hear again from Lou. Ay, ay, ay.